Probably the best hotel in El Nido, H Hotel. I'm gonna show you everything from service, rooms, and obviously the food. Let's head straight into the hotel.
H Hotel is located in the center of El Nido. All shops, bars, and banks are conveniently located around it. And it's not far from El Nido Beach, where you can dip into the beautiful water or take a tour from there, which I highly recommend. In the entrance, you have security and a house cat, lounges to relax, and all in all, it's very stylish and nice. Some free water and snacks are available as well. Then you have one of the highlights of the hotel, the terrace, where you have stunning views. I mean, look at this. You can take a drink up there and just relax and enjoy. Now let's head into the hotel room.
And welcome to the room tour of H Hotel in El Nido. We just arrived as well, that's why we figure it out as we go. Let's start off when we come in. Here is already a closet. Let's see if something is inside. Nothing inside so far except the safe down here. Then when we keep going, we have the minibar and fridge. Actually, it's the first time we have a fridge in whole Philippines. Let's see if it's filled. It's filled with some beverages and everything else is empty. So you can cool your own stuff right here. Pretty cool in my opinion. Thank you very much for that. We have a water maker and complimentary water, even a complimentary bottled water. A nice desk where you can put your stuff, and even more stuff up on the top where you can place all your luggage or whatever. And here is a little cabinet with a fire extinguisher, and even provided 2 umbrellas for the heat. Very convenient. You definitely need that if you want to survive in the sun. Then there is a luggage storage area, even with a shoe area. Now let's head to the other side, to the bathroom. Let's get in. Looks really good in my opinion. All black tiles. Gray floor. Normal toilet. Let's check the toilet paper. Good, but pretty thin. As almost everywhere. Then we have the sink and some amenities. A comb and a razor. Soap. And even a hairdryer. Nice little mirror right here. And then there's the shower right here with a rain head and a handheld shower head. Provided amenities as well with body wash and shampoo. Let's see how it smells like. Yeah, smells really good. Actually, something I want to mention is the whole room smells extremely good. I'm not sure from where, but it's really good. A minty, lemony, fresh flavor. Then we have the main room right here. We have a good queen size bed. Medium firm, I would say. Very nice back tile with the picture. On the left side, a little table with sockets. Right here is an electronic do not disturb or please clean sign. And up there is the air condition, more on the quiet side, I would say. We have a huge Xiaomi TV, 55-inch, flat screen, really cool. We have a little desk where you can work, and then, probably the coolest thing, a hanging chair. Let's see if that holds my weight. If we crash together. Oh. Okay. It holds my weight, but it's not that comfortable to be honest. Not sure if this is needed or not. I'd rather have a little table right here than this chair, to be honest. And let's go quick to the balcony. We have a balcony, which is amazing. And we are at the back side of the hotel. We're facing the church and the city, and over there is the canopy walk and the mountains. As you can hear, the street is pretty loud, but inside it's very well isolated. and you actually barely hear anything. Really good room. Something I just saw is a huge mirror where you can check out yourself. The room seems really nice so far. I will update you on the conclusion, how it was sleeping here.
We slept fantastic in this hotel and it was the best we had in our 3-week trip. Elegant and modern. Yes, you hear the street in the night a bit, but it was the quietest hotel we've stayed at.
I can highly recommend H Hotel in El Nido. Yes, it comes at the price, but it's absolutely worth it if you want to stay a few days. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss more Philippine videos. See you guys next week. We love food, yummy.